Hi, that's my new multiprocessor guitar effect, DigiTech RP360XP. And it has beautiful sounds and everything. I really like the pedal. But I have one problem with the select button here. So, that's how you edit presets. You press the select knob to access the menus, and it gives you those icons representing different effects, so you could adjust them the way it is in the Nexus Librarian. So you got this representation here with simple icons, and it should happen when you press that button, but no luck. Yeah, we are in preset mode. USB connected. That's the firmware version 1.300. And that's how we exit the menu, but when you pressed here, nothing happened. It functions when you want to switch to different presets. So you turn it left or right and it switches to preset. No problem. But the icons that should be here and there, no luck. And it looks up to date when you go and check. It says firmware up to date. Application update, check. Application up to date. So, unfortunately, my select button is not functioning. I just unpacked it last night. It was delivered to me yesterday, and it's really nice piece of kit. I really like the wah function of the expression pedal. It works better than my Vox, which I returned because I was really not satisfied with the performance of my Vox pedal. So this one is great if it's working. Fortunately not.